So this concrete edging for the pavers had this lip there that I want to get rid of, and I was knocking it down with a chisel, but you can see over there a piece broke off. So I'm going to use my angle grinder. Like there's a piece right there. I'm going to use my angle grinder, see if I can just cut that off, because I want a uniform edge along it. So like right there, I want that to be uniform all across where I get the lip of the weed barrier edging above that. And I can't have a variation in how far this edge comes out. So like that spot right there needs to come out of there. So I got the angle grinder I'm going to use, and then always spray water on concrete when you're cutting it. This makes it so much better. So let's zoom in on that guy, see if I can get that guy right there. That guy right there. Spray some water on this guy. Let's see. Alright, that should do it. And here's a spot where I use that chisel to try and chip off knock off the lip of that concrete, and knocked off a lot more than I wanted to. Then I put some white cement on there. I don't understand why I did that, but it wasn't enough to finish that hole. Hey, got it. What are you doing? You're not supposed to be here. Come here. So I'm going to use my tool here. Favorite tool, the Dremel. Use it with this diamond wheel. This diamond wheel has the diamonds on this side, and I can grind this down. I tried it with a palm sander. I couldn't get much down. I want to grind this down to about a inch and a half below here. It's not visible. I'm going to patch this up with Bondo. So let's see if I can get this guy going here. I'll keep some water on it. Alright, that should do it. The thing about these things here, you can reverse them. So once this side gets dull, you can reverse it and use this side here. Pretty cool.